It is June 13th, 2023. This is the trade recap for the day using ICT Concepts, episode 14. So here is the chart for the day. We uh, ended up bullish again, which is what we called last episode, just because of the weekly profile that we're currently following. Expecting a high of the week Wednesday reversal kind of thing. So tomorrow is FOMC, so that's what I'm expecting. I could see price manipulating up with, and then FOMC bringing it crashing down, something to that manner. Yeah, I mean high time frame PD rates are being respected in terms of bullish order flow, like this fair value gap here, nicely on the 4 hour. 1 hour, same thing. This is the 8:30 news embargo, kind of like takes out sell side, but also entering this fair value gap, which is actually, yeah, a really nice fill there. And then bullish in the AM session. I took I want to say two trades, technically three because I also took it on options. Um, and I'll just get into that actually. So here is the trade. I took a long on this candle here. This is the 5 minute. I'll show the executions in the 1 minute, or where I took entry and exited. Um, a lot of arrows here. I kind of forgot the sequence. I think I got stopped out here after taking partials after taking out this high, and then yeah, getting stopped out right here, which is why it's a buyback, and then um, buying more here and selling. So I'll just show you guys on the 1 minute. Um, I've actually been talking to one of my friends who edits videos pretty well, and um, he says just send him the trade, like the live trade recording, and he'll edit that and stuff. So hopefully live trades or live trade recordings will be possibility soon. So here's the 8:30 news lift, right? You take out sell side, take out buy side. My bias is bullish for the day because of the candle kind of displacing, but also with hindsight bias from yesterday and just like what I have the week planned out to be. So market opens right here. Nothing too crazy. I'm just waiting because I know, we're in a deep premium right now. Price is just pumping. So in my head, I'm kind of looking for a reversal. And whenever price is like in a deep premium, whenever there is a reversal, it acts pretty harshly and it like violently like rushes down to take sell side liquidity because of the lack of discount price action. So here is where I took my trade on options. I don't have the screenshot for the day, but I do have. I guess I can just show it on here. So this is just for proof, I suppose. Um, Here's the proof. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know how clear that is. Okay, but basically, order filled at 9:46. So 9:46 is on this candle, right? I'm watching these candles paint. I see a displacement here, but I'm also watching the other indices. Um, so off of some SMT, I enter on this candle actually. Not sure why it's a minute early, but this candle like respects this small fair value gap to the tick, and right here, bearish order flow being respected along with BPR, the market symmetry, low resistance liquidity run. Those things are lining up for me. So really aggressive entry here. Could have taken entry here, which would have been a little bit better. Perfect fillage in this like fair value gap. Shoots a little bit above here, but not really too worried. It is a little bit volatile. And then price taking out this sell side, which I was targeting. And I know for sure we didn't want to take out this 830 low that we've made, just because it's a significant swing low that was made to fill in an imbalance. So at an intermediate term low. So I knew we weren't going to trade down below there. So it takes sell side, and we get a market structure shift up. So this would have been another valid entry long. I think I was just tape reading this, unless this is 1032. This time frame 10:30. Oh, actually no, I did take this trade. Um, I don't think it was off this entry though. I was just tapering this. It was probably after it touched this and then started taking off. So, price just kind of trails. I was out way earlier than this. This is usually the time I go and eat breakfast, so I was out, but it did pump nicely, taking out this buy side, and then kind of just staying within this like range and creating relative equal highs for another day, which is probably tomorrow. Um, so that's like the manipulation move, most likely. Is there anything here? There's no displacement above a significant swing high because it's all like right here, price dropping down. You get a small shift here with the fair value gap, overshoots it, and then price begins to deliver, kind of just rallying with the 345 macro, something along those. I'm actually trying to focus a little bit more on market structure on the higher time frames and using the open and the close. I there's one guy who's like been showing me the inter like related connections between these things, and it's like really interesting to see that play out, and it adds a lot of confluence to these trades. It's really crazy. So I'll probably do a video once I've mastered or progressed on that concept. But I guess we'll just go back to the hourly time frame and what I expect with FOMC. So we are inside this large weekly volume imbalance. Nothing too crazy. I'm not expecting anything crazy. So we reached, yeah, there's no data here, which is the only unfortunate thing. We've taken out this liquidity here, right? So we've taken out this liquidity here, and now we've run to an imbalance. So now I'm kind of targeting, I'm gonna have to say I'm bullish for the third day. Either bullish or bearish, so that we can create liquidity for the next days to come, if that makes sense. But yeah, I don't know how much longer I'm gonna do options. I really want to zone in on futures now. There's just so many new concepts that like had recently come up that I really need to focus on, and options is just too volatile for me. But it's something I'm definitely gonna think about and focus on. But I know a lot of you guys do options, which is the only reason that I'm still considering it. But we can take a look at DXY, and ESU that we've now swapped over to ESU. So there's that. We can just look at DXY and ESU side by side, or we'll use NAS. That's fine. 15-minute. So yeah, pretty versatile there, or not versatile. Inversely related. You have your swing low, swing high, kind of like that. So that's good. Markets are lining up really nicely lately. Also thinking of switching to NAS for a little while just to see the difference, and the points do rally up way quicker and faster. Faster, quicker, same thing. But yeah, that was the trade recap for the day. We'll just go look at Silver Bullet. I always forget to try to find Silver Bullet. It's a bad habit. So the Silver Bullet probably takes place in this fair value gap here after your shift in market structure. You get one entry is not even okay. So you get two entries, or sorry, not two. I mean, you get one entry here within the 10 to 11 time frame, and this is from 10 to, yeah, this is more than 5 handles. Really nice trade. Same thing here. Shift in market structure from here to here. Is that 5 handles? Yeah, it's 10 handles. That plays out really well with runners taking out more buy side. But like I said, the live trade recordings will come out soon. It's not that I don't take these trades. It's just I'm trying to make the editing like as smooth as it can be. But yeah, and it's it's hard to keep track of everything, especially when you're like live trading with actual capital. But it's not an excuse though, so I'll have that kind of thing there, and some learning concepts that I'll probably talk about. But other than that, that's going to be that video. But no trading tomorrow. If you guys do trade, good luck with FOMC.